Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video using a tutorial that I did a few years back when I was really trying to understand watercolor. So one thing you can take away, and something that I'm really happy that I did, is to document the work. Of course you have the sketchbook, but to document pictures or videos, whatever the means of recording is to try and document it so you can understand, of course, how far you've come, but to as well learn about your process. And then continuing on with that, one tip you can take away is to, once you do a tutorial, is for the second time around, try and do it from memory with variation. So hopefully that helps you. Will allow you to finish the video, and we'll see you in the next one, part 2, next week as well. All right, have a good one.